This is C. He's helping out with the video, aren't you, baby? He's helping out. C's helping out. He's a beautiful doggy. You're a good boy, aren't you? She's the Dave XR motorcycles and C. Just doing a quick video. This is C. Just doing a quick video on the back wheel because I've been I put a new tyre on, but I take the wheel off myself, so I just thought I'd give a quick video on how you take the back wheel off. I'm sure most people now do it, but anyway, it's more of a aid memoir for me the next time I do it. Anyhow, so here's the back wheel of my S1000XR, and the first thing you do is you need to obviously take this nut off. I say obviously, take this nut off. You should just undo it basically. It tightens to 100 Newton meters when you put it back on, and as you see, I put a bit of a nail varnish on it just so that you can see if it undoes itself or not. The main things to know is that this side of the you've got a spacer, the other side of that, and then on the other side there's another spacer, so there's a spacer both sides, and also you've got the caliper to deal with on the other side as well. You can't quite see, you can see it from here, it's just here, this is the caliper. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway. So you undo the nut and slide the axle out. I use a hammer and a bit of wood. You can get a special hammer for it. And then the main thing to remember is to clean the axle. Once you get it out, clean it and put some new grease on it, because it can be a real problem trying to get it back in with old grease on. So anyway, once you've done that, you slide it back in again. I use this bit of wood here just to prop up the back wheel, because doing it on your own, it's a bit difficult. It can be quite difficult to do it on your own. So you knock that back in. Obviously each side you've got this square kind of thing which is for the chain adjustment. So you go put that on. This side you've got a there's the chain adjuster square thing. You've got a washer, and then you've got the nut, which you then tighten up to 100 Newton meters. I also had problems with my chain adjustment screw, which is this here. Because it had got stuck in the swing arm, I think was the main reason. I gnarled up this the end of the bolt here, the end of the screw, sorry, the bolt end. So what I did was I just obviously took the nut and the washer out, and the chain adjustment block square thing, took that off, knocked the axle through to allow me to undo this screw. Now a top tip was I was having real problems trying to undo it, because obviously the nut end had gone, which is why I was replacing it. So what I did is this other nut here, I screwed all the way to the end of the screw, then used that screw to unscrew the other screw, if you see what I mean. So I screwed it all the way out. It's quite a long screw, it comes through to here. But once I got that screw through to help me screw out the main screw, it was actually quite easy to do. Then put the new screw back in. I put a lot of copper grease in. I used a lot of plus gas as well to get it out, so it's a bit of a pain. But I just thought I'd do a video about it. It's more for me than anything. And C's now messing around with the bottles over here, which is what's causing the noise. He's taken a bottle out into the garden, which he likes playing with the bottles. Okay, well that's all I was gonna do. Just a quick one on the back wheel. Obviously, to take the back wheel off, you've also got to take the chain off this side. Once you undo it, slide it forward a bit, and the chain comes off pretty easily. Put the chain over the swing arm. Also, the other side. Once you get the caliper off, put the caliper over the swing arm as well. So yeah, anyway, so it's Dave XR Motorcycles signing off. This is more a video for me really, so I can remember how to do it next time I take off, and for anybody else who's interested in doing it. Not a difficult job. On previous bikes I have had problems getting the axle back through, so you have to be a little bit patient with it. Anyway, nice to speak to you. Keep watching, keep subscribing, plenty more videos coming soon.